Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty Bundle. I received it for free as a treat with my purchase and I am very glad for that. This time the see-through bag is pink, very beautiful. I like it more than the previous see-through black bag that I received in the past. I don't know, I like it more on pink. Okay, beautiful people, let's open it to see the treats. And first we have a travel size toothpaste from Regenerate, Advanced Toothpaste. I found this toothpaste in the Aces Advent Calendar 2 years ago. To be honest, I don't remember if I tried it, if I like it or I didn't like it. Well, I will try it this time and I hope I will not forget how it was. This toothpaste is made in France and we get 40 ml of a product. Next travel size product is from Clinique, from the Moisture Surge range, 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator, and here we have 50 ml of a product. With the Moisture Surge range from the Clinique, I don't have the best experience. I will open the lid to show you how the product looks. It has a jelly formula. As I said, with this range I'm not very close. For my dry skin, this cream is too lightweight, I need more hydration. Ooh! And here we have an eyeshadow sample from Natasha Denona. To be honest, a very beautiful sample presentation. And here we have a shade Pure Love from the limited edition Natasha Denona Love palette. This is a duochrome lila shade. Beautiful, definitely we will try it in a future video. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows formula. I have two palette 5 and they are lovely. No doubt that I will like this shade too. I hope. Next we have a sample from Avant, Shea Butter, Hyaluronic, Sweet Almond, Vitamin B3, Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Avant is a brand that is present continuously in the Lookfantastic beauty boxes, advent calendars or goodie bags, and I have a chance to try 3 products from this brand and I will be honest, was good, but I didn't saw that did miracles with my skin. I will try it in this cream and I will let you know if I change my mind. Here we have a very small sample from BioEffect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin, and we get 3 ml of a product. BioEffect is a new brand for me, never heard about this brand before. And the last we find a sample from Ritual. Your hair is precious, treat it with care. Okay, we have hair care samples, and inside we have the Rituals of Ayurveda Nourishing Shampoo and the Ritual of Ayurveda Nourishing Conditioner. Okay guys, and here are all the products found in the Lookfantastic Beauty Bundle. Let me know which one is your favorite. And this was everything for today. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!